In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to get Knicks tickets for the 2026 NBA Finals. Let's get started. Finals tickets are some of the hardest tickets to get, so I will walk you through the full process step by step. First, head over to the official New York Knicks tickets page or the Ticketmaster NBA tickets page. These are the safest places to buy official tickets before sales begin. Make sure you already have a Ticketmaster account created and signed in. Verify your phone number and email address and add a payment method ahead of time because NBA Finals ticket can disappear within minutes. Next, consider joining Knicks fan programs or signing up for the team newsletter because early pre-sale access is often given to season ticket holders and fan members before the general public sale begins. Once ticket sale dates are announced, be ready early on the day tickets go live. Open Ticketmaster at least 30 to 60 minutes before the sale starts and join the waiting room as soon as it opens. When you enter the queue, stay patient and do not refresh your browser unless Ticketmaster tells you to. Once it's your turn, quickly select your seats and complete checkout immediately because available tickets can vanish very fast during the finals. If official tickets sell out, you can still check verified resale platforms like StubHub, SeatGeek, or Vivid Seats, but keep in mind prices may be much higher there. Also remember to avoid random sellers in social media to protect yourself from scams. After purchasing your tickets, download the Ticketmaster app and add your mobile tickets to Apple Wallet or Google Wallet for easy arena entry on game day. And that's it. Now you know how to get Knicks tickets for 2026 NBA Finals. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.